Good morning, everyone. This is today's live trading video. Actually, due to some technical issues, we are unable to record the video from 9:15. So we started recording around 9:47. So we missed some of the trades due to some internet issues. We sincerely apologize for that. So I'm just selecting the scripts. These are all fast forward video actually. Today's market was like either too fast or too slow. So without any issues, I just selected a script, that is HDFC Bank. It is going to loss and coming to profit every time actually. That is what you may see in this video. As we said in our last videos also, when you are very sure about the bands, when you believe the bands, it never give losses. Either in one or other script, definitely we can cover it. So that is what I am expecting today also, as I stick to basics all the time. I hope today also this particular script will make us to wait till 1 o'clock or 2, because this movement is showing some signs regarding that. Let's see how it will go. Now we are in green now, again red. Looks like market is moving to consolidation. When the market moves to the consolidation phase, then it's become a rat and cat fight only. Either it won't go to loss or profit. We should be very careful all the time. As I said before, we should be very careful means it doesn't mean we need to be panic or always emotionalize. Based on the experience, while you trade based on our bands, um, you can stay cool and do the trades. Don't think too much about these arrows. It is coming and going, right? Don't look at that, because that arrows are totally different from our bands. You may see what is that. It is actually market is performing very well based on the that arrows. Again, it's very big math behind it. It's a kind of algorithm. That I created for my own purpose actually. I don't want to hide anything from you guys. This video is still going on fast forwarding. It's now time is almost 12 o'clock. It's still running. So as I expected, This particular script will make us wait for sure. Bank Nifty is moving up, but HDFC Bank is not moving up means it's not a good sign for us. Maybe in some other time it will come down for sure, because Bank Nifty is already moved to the overbought zone, which is not at all a good sign for our buy. Let's see how it will go. Maybe it will go for a retracement and again it may come down. Trading is just probability, so you may worried or surprised why I am always using maybe or might be like that, but yes, it's a probability game. Oh, we are at, okay, we are gone. Green and red. If you observe, this is almost 1100 script. Even it is not moving more than 5 rupees means it's a definitely tight consolidation, but we can expect some movement in a second half of the market. I mean after 2 o'clock, like that. Either it will fall very badly or it will go up. But there is no chance for this market to go up because the Bank Nifty is already on top, nearby top band actually. So we can expect it will fall very badly. Definitely some profit booking might place at end of the market session. It may be visible for some time, but yes, yeah, there is a very big candle in Bank Nifty, but that candle is not followed by HDFC Bank, because HDFC Bank is the uh, this particular bank have very good weightage in Bank Nifty scripts. So according to HDFC Bank movement, the Bank Nifty will move. Even some other banks also there in the Bank Nifty list. We should focus on HDFC Bank. Yes. Now I'm going to place CE option. Don't think too much about option, what is that and all. I will explain in some other video. I'm going to place, actually, yeah, should be market order. Yes, it's executed. I don't think so. This is the glitch, it seems. Yeah, it's got executed, I believe. Yeah, we have completed 5 orders. So portfolio is refreshing now. Yes, it's executed. Oh, it's a very nice profit. 330, 297. Okay, definitely it is not going to 95. Let's see, we can keep it. I hope it will not. Oh, this also loss. I don't think. Yeah, it's good now. I think it is the time. It's time to book a profit because I don't want to take risk. Now it is moving nearby top, actually top band. So I hope I should be satisfied with this profit for now. Let's see. This is the time why we should be very careful, guys, because a small mistake is enough for us to blow our account because of this is option. when we know that we are going to hold a fire, we should be very careful and we should take some precautions, right? So that is what I'm going to do now. I closed. Yes. Thank you very much. Yeah. Finally, today's my account again is on green. Okay. So thank you. This is our trade for now. Hope you enjoyed this today's trading. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.